Sambhav in association with India Today Television. Since the inauguration of the iconic Startup India program by the Government of India 6 years ago, we have grown exponentially to become the third largest startup ecosystem globally. Today, we are proud to be home to 105 unicorn startups with a total valuation of around $340 billion, a superlative achievement indeed. Amazon India's programs like Amazon Launchpad and Global Selling on Amazon have been contributing to this success story, enabling and empowering startups, helping brands emerge and supporting MSMEs in building successful online brands. One such success story is of Avishkaar, a direct-to-consumer company that provides children with a platform to learn next-gen tech skills like robotics, coding, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. Here's their story.
My name is Tarun. I'm the founder and CEO of Avishkaar. Avishkaar is a tech education company that teaches next-generation technologies like AI, robotics, and coding to young children from 5 to 15 years old. We do so through a combination of hardware STEM kits, a programming software, and a very vibrant community. Avishkaar's main goal is to create innovators in the world. As a young child, I was also one of those innovators whose dreams were not fulfilled. So in some sense, this is my own story or helping children like myself to achieve their dreams. We are an integrated solution. So we are not only teaching these technologies, we are also providing hardware for these technologies. We also create an ecosystem or an environment where these technologies are introduced at a young age and children are motivated to pursue this through a variety of competitions and community. We started selling on Amazon from April of 2020 when the pandemic had come to India. Part of the reason for starting to sell on Amazon was because our main business line was disrupted because of the pandemic, and Amazon ended up becoming our sole source of earning. Launchpad program is fairly competitive, so we had to apply for it, and we were shortlisted amongst many other companies that had applied. But end में Launchpad program में हमारा selection हो गया. Amazon has helped us in every aspect of running the business, right from getting the customers to us to marketing our products to those customers through their programs like AMS, or distributing these products to these customers through programs like FBA. So it is a 360-degree round support. As an organization, we don't need to now worry about where our products is distributed or to go out and do offline events. So whatever energies that we are now spending in the online world are giving us commensurate returns.
Digital empowerment of Indian startups, emerging brands and MSMEs is the key to realizing the government's vision of Startup India, creating robust systems